Hey guys, it's Frank from Cruising with Wheels. Do you have family or friends that go on Facebook to post vague or cryptic announcements, scaring everybody half to death? Well, today we're going to talk about vague posting or vague booking in this episode of Frank Pushes Back. So, what is vague booking or vague posting? Let me tell you what the official definition is. It's any status update on social media, primarily Facebook, that is intentionally vague, all with one thing in common: to elicit a response from family and followers. Now, while the majority of us, just to be clear, about something that has happened, we say why we're upset. We actually post what is actually happening. But the vague bookers take great delight in beating around the bush, seeking attention while giving away as little as humanly possible. Now, I've seen a lot of these postings from people we know, families and friends, and it just drives me insane. I mean, I just don't get it. If you have something to say, then say it. Why make these cryptic comments and then go radio silent while you're driving everybody crazy? And I've seen things like, just checked into the Cancer Research Center, or I'm about to throw myself in front of a train, or some people need their faces punched in, or, well, better get that black dress out. Very sad. Now, we all know that everybody reading these comments are going to go crazy. I mean, they're going to be flipping out. They're like, oh my God, what's happened? What happened? Did someone die? Oh my God. Is mom okay? Is mom okay? Oh my God. Is dad dead? Dad's dead. Oh my God. I gotta take a flight down. Book a flight. Someone died. Oh my God. What's happening? Call me as soon as possible. And it's going on and on. And there's like 10, 20, 30 of these responses to this cryptic, vague posting. And again, there's radio silence. It's like someone walking into a room, dropping a firebomb, and walking out and shutting the door. And all the chaos ensues inside, with everyone wondering what is going on. Who's sick? Who died? Who's mad? Who's on the verge of divorce? What's happening? And that's all you read, is dozens and dozens of comments. Oh my God, I hope everything's okay. Please call me if you need me. Thoughts and prayers. Oh, I hope everything's okay. Whatever I can do. Should I make a dish? Should I send some food over? Please let me know. I have to know what's going on. I mean, and the person posting it is like, just not saying a word. Not one word. It's just ridiculous. And as far as I'm concerned, it's all about getting attention. I'm sorry. That's what it is. Because if that's not what you're after, then why don't you just post what's happening? Hi, just checked into the emergency department at Strong Hospital. Mom's having heart palpitations. Form a prayer chain. Thoughts and prayers, please. Not looking, tell us what's happening. Don't just go, checked into the hospital emergency department, and that's it. And no one knows what's going on. There's no reason for that other than you're seeking attention. And I'm going to say it right here. You're an attention whore. You want attention. I mean, that's it. If I'm wrong, comment below. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me that this vague booking or vague posting isn't what that is all about. Because, in this house, you know what the end result of that nonsense is? Unfollow or unfriend. Because I don't want to see that nonsense in my Facebook feed. It's ridiculous. It really is. Just say what you mean what you say, without all the secrecy and fake mystery about what's really going on. I mean, it is just so childish. I mean, you're acting like some little high school girl playing some stupid little attention game. I mean, seriously. The people that do this, some of them are, they're like in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. Grow up. Come on now. You're not a kid. Now, I know that some of you watching this video are asking yourselves, oh my God, do I do this? I don't know, do you? Because I think if you're doing it, you probably would know you're doing it. I don't know. Only you know. But then you have the other people who will emphatically state, I don't do that. That's not me. I never do that. Well, I'm here to tell you, we all know you do. We all know you do. You are in total denial about being a gigantic drama queen. And I know. Trust me. I know about drama. Drama queens in the house. So, don't think you can tell me you're not. Because we know better. So, please stop scaring all your family members and all your friends half to death. Act like an adult. Post like an adult. Or just end your Facebook career. I don't know what else to say about this. It has been the topic of some private conversations about who's doing this and who's doing that. But I'm here to bring it out. I'm here to lay it all on the table. I think that this whole Facebook vague booking or vague posting or whatever you want to call it is ridiculous and it's childish. And as far as I'm concerned, you just want attention. For whatever reason, I don't know. I can't perceive to be in your heads. So, that's all I have to say. I want to thank you for joining me again for another episode of Frank Pushes Back. And I'm sorry if any one of you is offended by this video. Get over it. Don't be offended by everything. And I think that maybe if you are offended, it's because I struck a nerve, and maybe it's true. So, join Kevin and myself. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And I want to remind all of you to always travel safe and cruise often.